Hi there, smart drivers. Rick with Smart Drive Test talking to you today about speed management for the purposes of passing a road test. This is video number 12 in the Veda series. Stick around. We'll be right back with that information. Hi there, smart drivers. Welcome back. The speed that you have to maintain to pass a road test and be successful is the posted speed limit, the speed of the flow of traffic, or the capabilities of the vehicle, whichever is less. And you have to constantly adjust your speed when you're driving on your road test because conditions are going to change. As well, if you don't know what the posted speed limit is, it's 50 kilometers an hour, 30 miles an hour, unless otherwise posted. If you're out on the highway, it's going to be 80 kilometers an hour, 50 miles an hour, unless otherwise posted. So know that if you can't find a posted speed limit sign, that's how fast you drive until you see a posted speed limit sign. If the examiner says otherwise, you say, listen, I don't know what the speed is, but you should be familiar with the speeds in and around the licensing center where you're going to be taking your road test. Now, if you're new here to Smart Drive Test helps new drivers get a license, veteran drivers to remain crash-free, and CDL drivers to start a career as a truck or a bus driver. So be sure to hit that subscribe button. As well, hit that bell. That way you'll get instant notification when I get the videos up for you. Now, speed management, I have had comments from smart drivers that examiners will fail you for doing 1 or 2 miles an hour over the posted speed limit, which is not true. They will fail you if you consistently run over the speed limit or you're not driving fast enough on your road test for the conditions of the roadway. And the reason for that is because you're demonstrating to the examiner due care and control of the vehicle. Speed control on a road test, yes, could be a pain in the butt. And I'll put a video up here for you on the mock road test that I did. I actually had to reshoot that because I was going too fast.
This is the reason that, yes, I'm reshooting this because the first time I come down here, I was speeding.
I got talking to the camera, I got distracted, I was going downhill and I was following the flow of traffic. Therefore, I was driving over the posted speed limit because most of the time, the traffic flow is going to drive 10 to 15 kilometers an hour faster than the posted speed limit, or 5 to 10 miles an hour faster than the posted speed limit. So know that everything in the driving environment is telling you to drive faster than what you should be on a road test. So you have to practice to work against those social forces and work against that social driving so that you can maintain the proper speed for the purposes of a road test. And the reason that you're doing that is to demonstrate to the examiner and the authorities that you have due care and control of the vehicle. It's no different than going to university. When are you going to use studying the Industrial Revolution and knowing about the components of the Industrial Revolution in the rest of your life? Not likely unless you're going to go into teaching or be a university professor. It's the same thing when you learn to drive. It's not likely you're going to drive the posted speed limit after you get your license. You're going to keep up with the traffic flow. But for the purposes of passing a road test, you have to have that skill in place to demonstrate to the examiner that you have due care and control of the vehicle. I'm Rick with Smart Drive Test. To subscribe, click here. For another great video, click here. Good luck in your road test, and remember, pick the best answer, not necessarily the right answer. Have a great day. Bye now.